Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification button. First, let's explain what is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. Here are the steps to start a dropshipping business 2023. Number 1. Research and validate your niche. Before you start your dropshipping business, it's important to choose a niche or category of products that you're interested in and that you think will be profitable. You can use tools like Google Trends and Google Keyword Planner to research demand for your products. You should also consider the competition in your niche and whether there are already established players. Number 2. Find a reliable supplier. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find a supplier. There are several ways to do this. Wholesale directories. There are several wholesale directories, such as SaleWho and Worldwide Brands, that list suppliers for various niches. These directories can be a good place to start, but be sure to do your own due diligence and research each supplier before committing to working with them. Manufacturer websites. Many manufacturers offer dropshipping as a fulfillment option. You can usually find this information on their website or by contacting them directly. Trade shows. Trade shows are a great way to meet suppliers and see their products in person. You can find trade shows in your niche by searching online or contacting industry associations. Number 3. Set up your online store. There are several e-commerce platforms that you can use to set up your online store, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. These platforms provide everything you need to create and manage your store, including a website builder, payment processing, and inventory management. Number 4. Add products to your store. Once you've found a supplier, you'll need to add their products to your store. Be sure to include high-quality photos and detailed product descriptions to help your customers make informed purchasing decisions. Number 5. Set up payment processing. You'll need a way to accept payments from your customers. There are several payment processing services that you can use, such as PayPal, Stripe, and Square. These services handle the transactions and deposit the funds into your bank account. Market your store. The final step is to promote your store and start driving traffic to it. There are several ways to do this. Search engine optimization, SEO. You can optimize your store and product pages for specific keywords to improve your ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. Social media. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to promote your store and engage with your customers. Paid advertising. You can use paid advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to reach a targeted audience and drive traffic to your store. Process orders and fulfill shipments. When you receive an order, you'll need to place the order with your supplier and provide them with the customer's shipping information. Your supplier will then ship the product directly to the customer. It's important to communicate with your customers and keep them updated on the status of their orders. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.